Hi, this is Sue Ann Fang from Keller Williams Advantage. I'm here to take you on a tour of a condo I have for rent. This condo is at Eglinton and Kingston Road. It's just near Guildwood, south facing. It's about 650 square feet and it's got a great layout. Let me show you around. Okay, we've come in the entrance and I am going to turn immediately to the left. And here we have a very large den. One of the great things about this is it's got 9-foot high ceilings and the den has a door that closes. So it can be a second bedroom or a work from home space or a combined guest room office. Now I'm going to look back, take you to the front door. Right beside the front door opposite the den is a 3-piece bathroom. Now for a condo this size, having a second full bath with a beautiful walk-in shower is a great feature. This building is only about 2 years old. So all of the appliances are virtually brand new, very lightly used from the last tenant who left it very clean. Sleek European style kitchen, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, nice high cupboards, and glass black backsplash, which is a very pretty kind of robin's egg blue, sea green. And I'm going to back up a little bit. You can see the living space here, nice and bright. I'll have to put that slat back for the blind there that came down. But another fantastic feature of this building is that the balcony is enormous. And for a little condo, you have great outdoor space. So I'm going to go out here, south facing, nice and sunny. This faces Muir Road, which is in Guildwood and is just fantastic, quiet neighborhood overlooking the trees. And you can see that the balcony is, I don't know, I'm going to say 7-8 feet wide, spans the living room, spans the bedroom, and has lots of space for all your patio furniture. Finally, we have the primary bedroom. Again, this has sliding doors to the deck. Nice feature. I'm going to turn around. Quite generously sized, easily fits a queen bed and some furniture. Nice double closet. And has a really lovely 4-piece ensuite. With a shower, tub, vanity with storage. With this, you get an extra parking space. So there's a parking space included and a storage locker down on the parking level and ensuite laundry. It is $2,000 a month. Call me at 416-562-5002 if you'd like more information.